good day when this box arrives. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth from Medero Green Moments. Welcome back. I have a smaller box from Young Living. I placed my Essential Rewards order and then the next day I saw that it had processed, or the day after that, and my points were in my cart, or my Essential Reward points were there. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna place a point order and get some stuff for free. I've had some of you guys message me before. If you're gonna buy Essential Rewards or buy essential oils, you might as well buy them on Essential Rewards, which is essentially like Sam's Club, like a buying club. You buy every month. You don't have to buy a ton. You can buy 50 PV, which is like $50, or you can go as much as you want. Now, the more you buy, the more they give you free stuff every month, which are the promotions, and then you get points back just for buying your your essential oils. You get for free stuff. So this is my free stuff. So all I did was pay shipping, and I think it was like $6 or something. And I'm not gonna look at my packing slip because I love to be surprised when I'm sitting here with you guys. And I've got some tubes here. So let's start with this one. I love being surprised with my Essential Rewards. Woohoo! Okay, I have not purchased this in the new bottle. I only have the old ones, and if you saw them, you'd be like, oh my goodness, it's so gross and so old because they're so used up. Pergessence Plus. Did I mention that my kids are back at school and my daughter is starting middle school? I feel like yesterday she started kindergarten and we were parents of little kids. Like my son was 3 and she was in kindergarten, and now I have big kids. So, oh, it's heaven. So she needs her own bottle of Pergessence. I might give her my old bottle of Pergessence and then keep this one. I don't know. Maybe I'll give her this one and then I'll get myself one in a couple months. Oh, that is just so calming. Ladies, you need this to feel balanced. It is so amazing. Let me know in the comments below, where do you apply Pergessence Plus if you've used it? If you haven't, guys, give it a try. If nothing else, it's the most amazing perfume, but it just gives me the sense of calm, relaxed, makes me feel grounded, that I can do this. I just love it. And so where I apply this is my wrists and my neck. And why I do that is because I went to a class years ago and that's where my upline told me that she put it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get that. And I do. I feel so much better with Pergessence, and it doesn't hurt that the bottle's really pretty. Okay, I see another oil that came in here. Oh my goodness, this is in the new packaging. Okay, this is the Young Living Dry Skin Serum Essential Beauty. I am obsessed with all of Young Living skincare. I have had a combination funky skin over the years, and it could be probably because of my diet, especially when I was younger, when I ate a lot more sugar. I still love sugar, I just try not to eat it as much as I used to, and so Young Living skincare has really evened out my skin. Oh, just try it. Try the Art skincare first and then see how it goes. But then I started adding different products and trying different moisturizers and finding my favorite. I might do a whole video sharing with you guys about Young Living skincare, my thoughts, what they're for and how much. That might be a fun video. Okay, I'm gonna do that. And then I've gotten this once before, and I think it's in like the $20 range, guys. It has, let's see, cedarwood, avocado oil, cypress oil, rosehip, jojoba, myrrh, royal Hawaiian sandalwood oil, wolfberry, clove. Really, really good oils that are not only good for your skin, but cedarwood, good for your brain. Smells really good, and what I do is it's usually at night. I don't use it in the morning, and I don't really have dry skin, but I would put some in my hand at night and then just dab it and moisturize it into my skin. And it is so relaxing before bed to be putting lavender and cedarwood on your face. Oh, so nice. But have you seen that before, guys? It's so affordable. Some of the Young Living skincare is pretty pricey. It's worth it, but it's pretty pricey. This is one that we are running low on, and it is Inner Defense. And this is like Thieves plus oregano in a capsule, and we take it before we go on vacation. My husband and I both take like one capsule for like 3 or 4 days. We also do it if we just feel like we're gonna go below the wellness line, and we swear by this. Like, I don't even know. I can't remember who said it first online, and I was like, I'm gonna try that. And it's It is worth it. So when we run low, that's like a staple. We don't go through it quickly because we don't need it very often, but when we do, we're like, oh, in our defense, where is it? Let me grab it. And my husband never is the one that remembers. He's just like, okay. I hand it to him, like, take one of these. He's like, okay. So I'm blessed that he just lets me hand him the supplements. I'm like, take one of these. It'll help you, I promise. All right, and I have one more bottle, and this is a major splurge. That's why it's on the Essential Rewards order with my points, and I didn't pay money for it. This is like $70, $74, I think. I've bought 2 bottles of this ever, and I have recommended to you guys many times to buy the Young Living beard oil to use in replacement for this if you wanted to try it to enjoy the scent. But there is something different about having the essential oil versus the beard oil. The beard oil is extremely diluted because it has a carrier oil, because it's more for your hair if you have a beard than it is for you to enjoy the essential oil. So I was really going back and forth with the points, but what I've really decided is that my monthly order should be stuff we need, and the points order should be splurge stuff that you don't necessarily need but you really, really love. So I got a bottle of Shutron, however you say it. Let me open this up. Oh my goodness. It's like the sexiest guy cologne I have ever smelled in my entire life. Oh, I need to get like a little spray top and then just spray my husband before he goes out the door. Here you go, honey. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And one thing that's interesting is I have this oil over here, Progestins Plus. This essential oil made me feel grounded and peaceful and calm for a season in my life, and I'm really gravitating more towards this right now. But I remember for like 3-4 months last year, not this year, I was like obsessed with Shutron, which tells me I was needing more of these essential oils. So I really recommend that you go with what you're gravitating towards, because your body will really tell you what you need. And it's sometimes like that with food too. So you just have to listen to your body and just really pay attention. So those are the items that I got with my points. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more. I post every week here, and then we also have a vlog channel where I share about our adventures and travels, cruises, vacations, and just everyday life and renovations and home stuff, because this is a new house that we moved into a couple months ago. So there'll be lots and lots of videos coming soon in our own version of Fixer Upper. So I do Fixer Upper because we're just, you know, vlogging and it's not a TV program. But thanks guys for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye guys.